Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dispenser type and clip size so feeding works reliably. Once done, align a small stack of clips with the feed channel. This reduces jams. Make sure to open the latch or cap fully and inspect the spring or gravity well for debris. Place clips in the orientation that matches the feed geometry, curved side or open loop first. Then partially close the lid to retain the stack while you prepare to advance the mechanism. You now advance clips into the dispensing position using the manual plunger or crank. Do this slowly so you can feel resistance shifts. As you push, watch the clip lips engage the guide rails and correct any skew by nudging a misaligned clip with a non-metal tool. If the mechanism uses a tensioner, adjust it until clips move smoothly without dropping. Once alignment is consistent, cycle several times to verify repeatable dispensing before closing the housing fully. You finish by securing the housing and testing the dispenser 5 times to confirm it releases single clips consistently. If a jam occurs, immediately stop, remove power if applicable, open the case, and clear the feed path while noting the jam cause, bent clip, debris, or wrong orientation. Reseat a corrected stack, cycle slowly, and then return to normal speed. One key troubleshooting tip: if clips still catch, lightly lubricate pivot points only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.